Selectors, this is Amin Khan from Srinagar. This video is being recorded for demo purpose, since which has been given as one of the prerequisite in order to move to the next process of recruitment. So let me directly go to the topic that I have to delineate on is probability. So in order to confine myself to the very elementary definition of the probability, there are two definitions. In the modern probability theory, there are two definitions of what does probability mean. What is the probability that something is probable? One definition is classical definition, another definition is the modern definition. Classical definition can be given to only finite number or countably infinite number of outcomes. So I will also explain what does this outcome mean. And the modern definition is applied to the uncountable number of outcomes, or it is a sequence of occurrence, or it is the sequence of frequency of occurrence of something. So there are certain basic tools that we must be able to devise in order to set up the whole technique that whole setup, so that we will be able to define probability. First of all, it must be known to all of us that in mathematics we have only numbers. All that we have real numbers and complex numbers. So probability is actually a function. This is a function from the sample space. And what is sample space? Sample space is the number of outcomes. It is the collection of outcomes of some experiment that has been executed. For instance, suppose there is an individual and he executes an experiment. So corresponding to that experiment, it is obvious, whatsoever the experiment may be, we will always have certain outcomes. The outcome may be 1, 2, uncountable, anything. The outcome can be anything. I will exemplify these words with certain examples. So let me confine myself to this very pinpointed thing, that sample space is the collection of the outcomes. Corresponding to an experiment, we will have outcomes and we will collect them and we will keep them in a set. So probability is actually a function from that sample space. So sample space is mostly denoted by S, and P is the probability. It is small p. Small p is the probability that is defined from the sample space to the subset of real number. That is the unit interval. That is the 0,1 interval. That is actually the subset of R. So corresponding to each outcome that we will have in the sample space are the event. Event means a sub collection of the outcomes. We will be able to attach a number that is here. So it means that we will be able to say that this outcome or this event has this much of probability to occur. Now let me exemplify this. The simplest elementary experiment that we can do anywhere in the world is tossing an unbiased coin. Unbiased coin is a coin to whose occurring is equally likely. Means unbiased coin is the one whose occurrence, means when we experimented, the occurrence of the outcomes is equally likely. And biased coin is the one to which we can arbitrarily attach any probability. That depends upon how, but with one condition: the probability must not be greater than 1. It must be equal to 1. All the probabilities must be 1. So tossing a coin, the simplest sample space, we have a coin, and if it has been tossed by us just once, so we will have two outcomes. One is either we will obtain H, another is tail. This is one of the elementary definition. So probability, classical definition of the probability is that number of favorable outcomes. What is probability of an event? The number of favorable outcomes that are there in the sample space divided by the total number of outcomes that are in the sample space. So for instance, I define H to A to be the event, that is number of heads. So since I have done very elementary experiments, so I have only two outcomes. One is head, another is tail. So let A be the event. It is equal to the number of heads. So H is the head. So what is the probability of occurrence of this head? So using the classical definition, so probability of occurrence of A is simply number of favorable outcomes, which is actually 1, divided by total number of outcomes, which is 2. So this 1 by 2 is actually a number that lies between 0 and 1. It means that occurrence of head is 1 by 2, means there is 50% chance, there is 50% probability that head will occur when a coin is tossed.